now that I'm in this outfit, I'm gonna go on TikTok and search for my favorite song.
Just shorts close to your knees now. Hoochie daddy short. Hoochie daddy short show half of the thigh.
Can't bother. The fact that they're working with me. I'm beyond grateful. So happy Sunday. Excuse the look. Today is Babe's birthday. He's very boring. He don't want to do anything but making his fave salmon, rice and peas. Well, this is goat. I burn up myself, so I'll leave you alone. Babe is Babe don't want to do anything for his birthday, people, so this is what we're doing. Watching TV. We're about to be couch potatoes, really, for the day.
About to go lay down on the couch, call it a day.
And none of Babe's stuff came on time that I bought.
You buy them things?
Not one.
I'm telling you, you buy them nothing.
I was highly agitated. Yes, he said don't buy anything, but him not buy himself anything at all. So
I don't need nothing, I have everything.
Babe so tall, me can't barely keep the cup. Look there. My hand is literally extended. I can't see Babe. But none of the shit that I bought came. I was very agitated because I paid for express shipping and none of it came. It was supposed to be here from Friday. But whatever. When it come, I guess. And Babe got Black Girl Magic Sparkling Brute. Didn't even know that they had that.
Black Girl Magic?
And the kids are outside. I wonder if they get in. Yep. Let's see if I can use my camera. Yep, right there. There you have it. Jaden is right there hiding behind the block. And Kosi is sleeping. My rice done cook already, you know. So, I go start my salmon. So that is a birthday well spent in Babe's eyes. This is how he likes to spend his birthday, chilling, not doing much of anything. So I'm gonna go clean the kitchen and lay down with him and chill, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Deuces. Happy Tuesday. Monday I didn't do anything more than do my hair. Did Milani's hair also. Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
Did her hair, did my hair, and we just chilled. So today is Tuesday and Babe package finally arrived. He's at the store picking up some stuff. We just came back from the beach. What is it? And what is it, mommy? Come. So we just came from the beach. We are sandy. I'm gonna get her in the bath. And when babe myself, and when babe comes, I'm gonna have him try on all the stuff that I got, like a cute little package or moment. See that? So I got this pants. It's going back. I don't know what I was thinking, but this can't fit me. The shorts fit because these are in a 9. So I guess I'm a 10 or 12. Going back.
No.
So happy Wednesday, guys. I didn't go to the gym today. I spent the morning with babe chilling, and as you guys can see, babe didn't try on the clothes, so I'm probably gonna have to force him to try on the clothes today. But I went to Target. I wanted to get the Colania Brown collection with Target, but they don't have it at my Target, and the nearest Target they have it's 40 minutes away. But on the website it says I can pick it up in 2 hours. Anyways, and the skirt that I really wanted is a jeans symmetrical skirt. They don't have it in 14 or 12 online. So I got me some flowers, and let's see what else I didn't get much. I got this for the kitchen. I got this. This is $5. I like a lot. And then I got this. And this is what I'm gonna put candy in, because as you guys know, I normally put, let's see, I normally put candy in that, but since it's fall, can't even see. But since it's fall, I'm actually gonna use this. I've been collecting a little bit, like little knickknacks here and there for my fall decoration. I actually need to go on Amazon and grab some more stuff. I need a curtain, and I need 2 curtains. I need a curtain for the dining area, and I also need a curtain for the bedroom, because I don't feel like that curtain matches anymore. I need a new curtain for our door for the front door. That's gonna tie into everything for fall. I may either go live today, or I may just film some content for Instagram, film a reel or something, because I have the Shein. I did my Shein haul, so if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I need to do a reel or a picture or something to coincide with that post. Thank you to Shein for giving me my own coupon code. Your girl is freaking happy. If you guys watch my 2022 vision board, to work with Shein was on my 2022 vision board. It was Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, and somebody else, and I can't believe I'm partnering with Shein. Like, you guys know I love Shein. You guys know that I shop at Shein. The fact that they're working with me, I'm beyond grateful, and thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. It means the world to me. Okay, without you guys actually watching my content and supporting my content, I couldn't partner with these brands. So yeah, so I'm probably gonna do reels content. So yeah, I haven't done any reels, I haven't done any TikTok videos, none of that. So I'm probably gonna do that once Milani goes to sleep. Babe has Kai. It's just me and Milani here. Babe has Kai. He went to go do some stuff. So, and before I got rudely interrupted. Let's see. It's definitely not gonna fit. I actually got these to see if I could keep flowers alive. So let's see if I have a green thumb. I need another pot. Alright. That's not gonna work, and I only have 2 flower pots. So these are the only 2 pots I have. I'm actually gonna have to go get a different flower pot, a bigger one. Hopefully I can find something that's black, because as you guys can see, a lot of the themes in this household is black. We're actually gonna paint this kitchen black soon. With or without Babe's help, I'm gonna paint it. I've been watching videos for weeks and it's pretty easy. Well, I'm going to do coconut curry shrimp with some potatoes for dinner. It's quick, simple, and easy. I have some coconut that I need to, coconut milk that I need to get rid of before it goes bad. So I'm going to use it up. And I have some potatoes. So this don't take more than an hour, really. If that, probably like 45 minutes if my kids are not bothering me. I'm gonna put something on for Milani to wash. So for my potatoes, what I do is just rinse them off. And then I like to use like a Scotch Brite like this. Scrub them, get all the excess dirt off them. And then I'm gonna cut them up. So all I have is some oil just covering the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna use some layers and some basil leaf. I'm just gonna put them in the pot and saute them. And then I'm gonna go do my damn makeup.
Mommy, is that the food mommy on the camera? This one. Is that the food on fish? Mommy, I'm gonna make a video. So we're making food. We can have shrimps and
what? It's over there.
an onion. Shrimps and onions.
Shrimps and potatoes.
Shrimps and onions are right there. So we did cook it. And so this feels yummy.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing it.
So you can food this is yours. Mommy, tastes so good.
Pwede rin yan. Natin doon cook it. Alright.
So we can do because it's
The food almost gone.
Yeah.
So we're in my closet. I need to take out 3 outfits from Shein to actually do a reel. So I'm gonna pick my favorite items. I'm gonna do this. This is a 2-piece set, green set. I'm going to do this pink set right here. And I'm just gonna lay them on the floor because I need to add accessories. The red. And let's see, orange. I'm gonna do my Steve Madden shoes with this right here. And then I'm gonna do these Shein heels with this. Do that bag. So I'm gonna go take them to the living room area, and I'll see you guys when I get back into the bathroom to do my makeup and stuff. So while I'm doing my makeup and stuff, I like to go on TikTok and scroll and see what is trending and save audios, because in between my changes for clothing I like to do a few TikToks, 1 to 2, and save it in my drafts. And I'm not doing anything crazy as far as makeup. This normally takes me about 5 minutes, really.
Yeah, be my face. Moving fast, cause I'm Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. And we secure like the money in a safe. I love it, know I'm on the way. But you know what I'm good, I'm on the way. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party's starting when we pull up through the gate. Girl, we all lit, I'm with the crew. We ain't out here looking for blue. Some nights we better with you. It's a homie, something kind of mood.
This one I'll have to do. And that's it, 5 minutes. This is my phone tripod. Okay, this is not gonna work. Okay. So now that I'm in this outfit, I'm gonna go on TikTok and search for my favorite song. Then I like to set my timer. So set your timer. So I'm gonna set my timer. And I'm gonna look at it.
How long you know me, don't know me now. How I used to be does not mean I'm that same bitch today. My past is a reference, not a residence. I don't live there no more. I'm not the same girl. I'm not. So I don't give a fuck how long you know me, don't know me now. How I used to be does not mean I'm that same bitch today. My past is a reference, not a reference.
I don't know. I just get very scared.
Okay, so I'm gonna refilm this because I didn't realize I didn't have my bag on. Now I'm gonna move y'all out here. So, outfit change. I'm gonna set my timer. Draft.
These dresses in particular, because I love Skims dresses, but
Another one.
I stopped sending paragraphs.
See when they get out in a drama, so it's so cool when they come in a bun.
Your energy that's telling me that you're not really sure. And if you ever got the chance to
I burn bridges because I can swim. Don't ever think I fucking need you. I burn. I burn bridges because I can swim. Don't ever think I fucking need you. I burn bridges because I can swim. Don't ever think I fucking need you. I burn bridges.
This card.
I burn bridges because I can swim. Don't ever
tomorrow too. Okay.
Once Kim's dress face pattern.
So now for the video.
I'm 5'5", that's all I need to get a maxi dress. For me, if you're taller, you might be worse. Then I fold my fabric in half.
So you'll have to go on my TikTok to see the others. So I finished, hold on, let me pause this TV.
Fast and flawed. Sensei Priest fell victim to his demons. John Priest is not.
Oh, damn it.
We've already shown the check.
So I finished doing, what the hell?
A springboard to new heights. That's why I brought.
So I finished, can't talk, lost my train of thought. So I finished doing my TikToks and my Instagram reel. Haven't entered yet, but dinner turned out great. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully I can convince Babe to try these clothes on because he's refusing to try them on. And by this time is our wind down time and he's like, I ate and my belly's gonna be big, but whatever. I'll try to convince him tomorrow to put them on before we leave the house. We're going to the beach tomorrow. So I will see y'all then. Deuces. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
It's a no. I guess I was doubting how big Babe is really, cause this is not giving. It's not giving at all. It's a no. It's a no. It's a no.
She might tell me, but it's a no.
It's a no.
It's a yes, no.
I think I'm gonna. May I go look at? May I look if they have big? They have big and tall section. I'm gonna have to go get big.
Report, so.
It's not gonna work. It's too tight.
So that.
Can't bother. I can't bother. These are definitely going back.
Hi.
Hi, Milani.
Hi. Is it there? You.
Uh-huh.
Hi.
These are going back.
This make it look like a
Yeah, it's going back for sure. It's a no for that one. That no means I saw if you wear it, babe.
No, perfect. No.
I don't know what I was thinking. He's bigger than I thought. I actually have a baby inside. The cups are a little bit too big. But I have no time for sending it back, so it will have to do. Now you're the Instagram that try on Hoochie Daddy shorts, so I bought you some real Hoochie Daddy shorts.
You're not Hoochie Daddy shorts. Hoochie Daddy shorts are up here.
Them that me call Hoochie Daddy. The length.
This is Hoochie Daddy.
That's me don't know about that.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Halfway on your thigh is Hoochie Daddy shorts. This is
A full definition of
this is not Hoochie Daddy shorts.
That's Hoochie Daddy shorts to me.
No, it's not. That's shorts close to your knees, not Hoochie Daddy shorts. Hoochie Daddy shorts show half of the thigh.
Jesus, take the wheel. I don't know where they're going with that one, but okay. Me like those. Me like them. Though.
What's your daddy if you want to?
They're nice, too.
And then decent if you want to. They feel good.
They look good.
Sloppy.
Yeah,
Yeah, me like them here. Them here fit nice. Them
Yeah.
here fit just like these.
the one where we got best of the best. Yeah.
Hi, beautiful. Hi, gorgeous.
It fits fine.
No, it don't, babe.
Yes, it do.
That's it. Make you look like you got.
All you gotta do is if you're uncomfortable, wear one something the shirt underneath it. What then call it?
T-shirt.
Not t-shirt.
One bra.
What then call it? Marina. A black marina. It looks just fine to me.
White shoes.
Or black. Chin down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom.
Black.
Or black. Whichever one.
This is summer wear.
It is.
Somewhere hot. This one you're stepping off the plane to go to directly into the bus. Now, sit up on IG hold the chisel body boy and then come by the chisel body boy clothes.
Whatever. It fits perfectly fine. I don't know why you think your shirt is supposed to be. It fits just fine. Full of. It looks good. It gives some breathing room too. That on the shorts maybe if we were together. But obviously that shorts is going back, so. The shorts. The black shorts. Maybe if we were with that. And the black shorts and the shirt go together. Babe said don't put it on me.
Is it A, Daddy?
Yeah, mommy.
We couldn't tell when last time put that on the bikini.
What color is it? What color?
That's a babe like theme shirt them. Right here.
Big like this? Yeah, and this is not even big. This is comfortable. I'm not small. No tight shirt to make you look like you're
I think that this is the next one. Everything fit except the shorts.
Small people clothes.
Everything fit except the shorts. So the shorts and my two bottoms will
Pop,
be
you ready?
No.
Did you poop?
No. Mommy.
Yes, mommy.
Mommy.
Yes, mommy.
It's a princess.
It's a princess. Nice.
It's a size stone. Oh, it's a telescope.
That's my fave. You can wear that with black pants or blue pants.
Oh. Peekaboo.
Haircut for all this.
Oh. I know.
Nice.
It's a color. I can.
It fits.
Loose. Yeah, some like the clothes. None like tight clothes.
All of them are the same size. All of them fit different. All his stuff is in big and tall section. 2XL. All of them fit different as you guys can see.
Bruh.
Baby's big.
I'm 6'5", 250 pounds.
Baby's.
I can't wear little people clothes. Baby, don't put me on the camera. They can never edit out that.
Babe is definitely good. Anyways, I'm about to go get ready to go to the beach. Goodbye. And I also got some pampas grass from Michael's, and I also got some of these. I'm just collecting stuff at this point to put together for my fall decor, my fall house refresher, because it's about to be fall in like 2 weeks and I want to change some things around. So yeah. Hi guys, I was supposed to be going to the football game for my bonus son, but it's raining. Kai fell asleep. I came back home, so I end this vlog out now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.